The experience that was felt on this land
is something special. It still draws millions to this ancient land.
the land that leads to heaven.
The quest for freedom and happiness takes one to unexplored destinations. This impelled the members of Folk, the Youth Empowerment Club, to travel thousands of miles to this ancient land of Dwarka.
While exploring Dwarka, we all took some time for introspection. The tranquility of the surroundings encouraged us to contemplate our purpose in life.
Gomti River was a beautiful surprise, a place where the myth of Lord Krishna unfolded before our eyes. The river's pleasant water and the spiritual significance of this place made us appreciate the whole story from our heritage in a whole new light.
One of the most memorable moments was watching the sunset by Arabian Sea. The hues of orange and pink painted the sky as we stood by the sea.
It is like history came to life right in front of us. Except from this, the grand Somnath temple was a sight to behold. Its grandeur and the deep spirituality of this place touched our heart.
To discover new aspects of life, folks traversed to the land of virtuous Gomti River.
The trip not only deepened our spiritual connection, but also the bonds between us. Sharing this experience with like-minded friends made it even more special.
The holy name is the bridge that connects you to the land of freedom and happiness.
The magnificent architecture reminded us the meaningless tradition that had been passed through generations.
You all have heard the friendship bond between Lord Krishna and Sudama. So during this incredible journey, I found myself profoundly moved by our visit to the Sudama Mandir in Porbandar, and the story of friendship and humility echoed in my heart.
Charming Rukmini Temple, folks' next stop is the abode of selflessness. Experiences felt in the ocean of trust